Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to choose when your Windows 11 PC goes to sleep. You can adjust the sleep settings in Windows 11 to choose when your PC goes to sleep. Here are the steps. Right click on the Windows Start button and select Settings. In the Settings window, select System. Here click on Power. Under the Screen and Sleep, you will see options to set the time for your PC to go to sleep, when it's plugged in, and when it's running on battery power. Use the drop-down menu to select the desired time or choose Never if you don't want your PC to go to sleep. You can also choose when the display should turn off by using the drop-down menu under the Screen section. Once you have made your changes, close the settings window. That's it, your Windows 11 PC will now go to sleep according to the settings you have configured. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you at the next one. Goodbye.